In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Microsoft To-Do account. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect and don't accidentally lose anything important along the way. First, it's important to understand that Microsoft To-Do is tied directly to your Microsoft account. There isn't a separate To-Do account you can remove on its own. When you go through this process, you're actually closing your entire Microsoft account, which also affects other services linked to it like Outlook, OneDrive, and potentially any subscriptions you have. So only continue if you're sure you want to close the whole account, not just uninstall the app. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Close Your Account page for Microsoft. The fastest way to find this is to search online for Microsoft Close Your Account. Look for the official Microsoft link, then open it. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account that you use for Microsoft To Do. Once you're on the Close Your Account page, you'll be asked to sign in again if you're not already. This is normal and is part of Microsoft's security process. Enter your login details and then you'll see a series of prompts to verify your identity. Depending on how your account is set up, you may be asked to confirm using a code sent to your email, your phone, or an authenticator app. Take your time here and follow each instruction on the screen carefully. If you have multiple security options, choose the one you have access to right now. For example, if you can't receive text messages on the phone number listed, look for the option to send a code to your email instead. Enter the code when you receive it and continue. This verification step is important to prevent someone else from closing your account without your permission. After your identity is confirmed, Microsoft will show you information about what closing your account means. Scroll through and read this carefully so you understand which services and data will be affected. When you're ready to move on, you'll be asked to choose a grace period. You can usually pick either 30 days or 60 days. The grace period is a safety window. During this time, your account is marked for closure but not permanently deleted yet. If you change your mind, you can sign back in and cancel the closure and your account will be restored. If you think there's even a small chance you might want to use your Microsoft services again, choose the longer 60-day option. If you're confident you won't need it, 30 days may be fine. Once you've chosen the grace period, continue through the rest of the page. You may see checkboxes to confirm that you understand things like losing access to email, files, and other Microsoft services. Read each statement, and if it applies, check the box to acknowledge it. This is Microsoft's way of making sure you're fully aware of what will happen. When you've reviewed everything and you're sure you want to proceed, you'll reach the final option to mark the account for closure. Click the button to confirm. At this point, your Microsoft account, and with it your Microsoft To Do account and data, are scheduled for deletion after the grace period you selected. If you later decide you want the account back, just sign in again before that grace period ends and follow the prompts to cancel the closure. Otherwise, once the time is up, your account and associated To Do data will be permanently deleted.